So, the project proposal has been approved and you are assigned to manage it. You are in charge of collecting requirements, determine the scopes, details, and sponsors. The next step is to create a work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure, or WS, is a visual illustration breaking complicated project into more manageable tasks in hierarchical structure. It is an important tool for project teams to execute project on time and on budget. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a work breakdown structure. Go to Gitmind's website and click the Get Started button. You will then be directed to a template section. As mentioned, WBS is made up of hierarchy of works in a given project. Select a template that has hierarchical structure, then click the Use Templates button to edit. Double-click on each node to modify the text and fill in with your project's information. The level 1 of WBS represents the project name. Below it are the major deliverables or activities, which is level 2 of WBS. Then, level 3 decompose the tasks that need to be accomplished to produce the deliverables. Simply follow the same procedure to complete the illustration. In case the description does not fit the node, feel free to resize the shape. To make the nodes uniform, the tool allows you to modify the node color or change the font style as you like. It's that easy. Once you're done, click the Export button, then choose whether you want to export it as image or PDF file. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.